Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to remove hyperlink from a PDF file. So we have a PDF file, for example, and you'll see they have links on them. So let's click on the first one. It will take us to a link. Okay, let's go back to the PDF file. So the easiest method is press Ctrl and P. So this is to ensure that we are printing this file. So select Microsoft Print to PDF and then select Print. It will start to print. Okay, we will save it under the documents. So we'll just write example link print. Okay, let's save it now. Okay, we have saved it and we also opened it. So let's click them. You see, they cannot be clicked anymore. So this is the PDF file that we printed, and when we printed it, those links are gone. This was the main file which still have the links on them. So this is how, like, one of the easiest ways to remove the links. There is another way, which is using a website. So go to this website. I'm going to put the link in the description below. What you have to do is drop your PDF file here, or you can choose the file from here. We will click choose file. We will upload the PDF file, and there are a couple of options: annotations, form field, hyperlinks, JavaScript. If you want to remove others, turn them on too. Let's click remove. It says it removed it. So let's download the file now, and it will automatically open on the Acrobat. And here you'll see these are also gone. So I showed you two ways you can remove hyperlink from PDF file. I think I earned a subscriber. Please subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, leave them on the comment section below. Thanks a lot.